Hi, I hope this is recording. I just quickly wanted to show you how to do the, to use, sometimes it's hard to talk on this thing. To do an image-based ad, to turn your ad into an image. So, anyway, I've got my ad up here in my word processor program that I made. It's just a little example. It's called, it's just some dog food thing I just made up randomly. So we've got all of our information in there: the contact information, the website. I took off the thing that underlines when the words aren't correct, like if it's words spelled wrong and it'll have the squiggly line underneath it. You don't want that in there because it just looks tacky. Make your ad as clean as it can be. I mean, this ad's pretty boring, but I've seen way worse, and I just made this in like a couple minutes. I mean, you could literally make something like this in a couple seconds. Took the image off the internet, which may be kind of... You might want to use some stock images from iStock Photo or something, but I'm just using this for example. So anyway, the next thing I do is do a print screen. I'm on my laptop here, so hopefully I did it right. So, I could save it, but of course we don't want it as a Word file, we want it as an image. So print screen captures the screen. And then I'm going to go up into Accessories, Paint. And this is Microsoft Paint. It's a really basic program everybody has. If you have a Mac, I don't know what to tell you, but I'm sure you have something similar. And then you just go to Edit, Paste. And now, if I just grab it, I can see, oops. Now we're going to maximize it. I've got the screen just showing you a portion of my screen. Okay, but, okay, so I've got it centered here. Now I just kind of click on that box part, take out the part that I want. I think this size for an ad is fine. I wouldn't go, a whole lot bigger. You could go, I think people do go big, and maybe it's not that big of a deal, but I prefer them to be small, Remember, I've got all my contact information in here, so they type it in instead of it being a clickable link, which you can try, or having a live domain name on the page. You don't really want that because Craigslist sees that stuff and then it sees duplicates. So this is the most low-key way to do it. So edit. I'm pretty sure you can go to image crop, or you could go to cut and paste, but I'll just go to crop, and there's the ad. So now I just go to File, Save As, JPEG, that's what we want. This is on XP, and I'm not Vista, and I'm not the best with it, but you get it on you want it on your Windows desktop, and then you save it. So that's all there is to it. Now I just go to dog ad, double click it, and you can see through the photo gallery. That's what the ad's going to look like, and that's a perfect example of how it's done. Okay, thank you. Good luck with that. Bye-bye.